In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable the News widget icon in Windows 11. This is the little icon that usually appears on your taskbar, often showing the weather or a small news preview. Some people find it really useful for quick updates, while others prefer a cleaner, distraction-free taskbar. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to turn it on or off, and explain what each option does so you can set it up the way you like. First, make sure you're on your Windows 11 desktop and can see the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. This is the bar that usually has the Start button, your pinned apps, and the System tray on the right side. That's where the News widget icon normally appears. To start, move your mouse cursor down to an empty space on the taskbar. You don't need to click on an icon, just find a blank area. Once you're there, right-click on the taskbar. A small menu will pop up with a few options. From that menu, click on Taskbar Settings. This will open the Settings app directly to the taskbar customization page. If you accidentally close it or don't see it, you can also get here by opening Settings from the Start menu, then going to Personalization, and then Taskbar. On the Taskbar Settings page, you'll see several categories such as taskbar items and taskbar corner icons, depending on your version of Windows 11. Look for the option labeled Widgets. This is the control that turns the News and Interests widget icon on or off. To disable the News widget icon, simply toggle the widget switch to the off position. As soon as you do this, the icon should disappear from your taskbar. If you don't see the change right away, give it a second, or make sure you're looking at the correct part of the taskbar. If you ever want to enable the News widget icon again, come back to this same setting and toggle Widgets to the on position. The icon will reappear, usually on the left side of the taskbar near the Start button. You can repeat this process anytime you change your mind. It's a quick way to keep your taskbar either clean and minimal or feature-rich with at-a-glance information, depending on what works best for you.